Hey everyone! I've been deep in the Solana staking world for like 14 months now, constantly exploring different services, watching what platforms are actually delivering, and honestly, what I'm seeing on YouTube lately is it's really frustrating. The majority of staking content is basically commercials for scam operations, creators hyping platforms with either garbage returns or questionable security, often both. And it bothers me because beginners can't tell what's legit from what's not. But look, I'm genuinely thankful I found this one platform, SOL Stake. It's honestly one of the very few that stayed trustworthy and competitive in this market. Been running it since 2024. APY is strong, security's verified, interface makes actual sense. Let me just walk you through this. Okay, opening my browser and typing solstake.app. Okay, good, it's loaded. So first thing is logging in. Gonna click Start Staking here. Pop-up shows up with wallet options. Choosing what I normally use, hitting Connect, and nice, logged in. So this is my dashboard. See here, it shows my positions active. Right here is my balance displayed, daily earnings, total I've made, and how long I've been staking, all visible. Scrolling down, full yield stats. And here's the panel, where I deposit more SOL, like this, or withdraw. Good, clean interface. Now let me check transaction history, and there it is. Every transaction logged with exact timestamps, deposits, withdrawals, complete record. Started back in summer, added more in fall, all documented properly. So yeah, that's basically how the interface works. Pretty straightforward. Now here's the thing. I've personally tried about 6 different staking platforms over the past year and a half. And honestly, most of them were either straight up scams or just incompetent. One platform I used back in early 2024 suddenly dropped their APY from 7% to 3% overnight without any warning. Just changed the terms randomly.
So another one had technical issues for 3 weeks where I couldn't access my dashboard or unstake. Turned out they were having liquidity problems and basically stalling people. Super sketchy. There was the other service that advertised 8% yields, right? Sounds great, but then when you actually look at your rewards, they're taking like 25% in various fees they never mentioned up front. So your real return was maybe 5.5%, not 8. A total bait and switch. And their customer support? Non-existent. Just automated responses that didn't help with anything. So the reason I stick with SOL Stake is simple. They've never pulled any of that garbage. The rate they show is what you actually get. When they say 6.72%, you're getting 6.72%. No surprise deductions, no random policy changes, no technical issues that conveniently happen when you want to withdraw. It just works how it's supposed to work, consistently, month after month. And here's what matters. Reliability beats everything else. You don't need the absolute highest APY if the platform's gonna disappear or change terms or lock you out when you need access. A consistent 6.72% that you can actually depend on is way better than advertised 9% from some fake operation that might rug pull or have technical difficulties when you try to withdraw. Plus, the security is actually verified with public audits. Most platforms just claim they're secure without any proof. This one has documentation you can check yourself. After getting burned by sketchy platforms before, that verified security is non-negotiable for me now. So yeah, if you're holding SOL and not doing anything with it, or if you've had bad experiences with other staking services, this one's genuinely worth checking out. Links in the description and pinned in comments. Appreciate you watching this.